So good smell. So fresh. The air is fresh. And it's so good smell from this Tannenbaum. No, they are eating. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. What is that? You want to give me that? Oh, you want to give me that? You can eat it. What is that in your beak? Is that a worm? Is a worm? Hello to you. What happened to your beak? Hello? Hello? You have a baby? Do you have a baby to feed? Do you have a baby? Oh, you have a baby. Where's your baby? You need to give food to your baby.